Yes. Have you laminated a piece of paper recently?
Yes.
Have you vandalised property recently?
Pardon?
Have you vandalised property recently?
No. Can you get out of my driveway, please?
This is private property at present where I'm stand.
Can you let me get in my driveway?
You can do that, but I don't have to move from where I am. So you do admit to vandalising property?
No, I do not admit to vandalising property, and I'm sorry you feel that it is that
No,
way.
I've got photographic evidence that my property has been vandalised.
Your property has been vandalised?
Yes, it has.
Oh, I can just take it off.
No, there's staples in it, in the timber, and there's holes in the timber. Those fence palings will need to be replaced.
When you can approach me in a mature fashion...
I am. That's why I'm here. I doubt it. You could have asked for permission to touch my fence, but you did
You
not.
are absolutely correct about that, and I do apologise.
It's too late.
It's too late.
That's
Okay,
right. You've already
that's
damaged my
unreasonable.
property.
I'm calling the police.
That's okay. Yeah, I'll be making this video footage available to Victoria Police. Thank you for your assistance. You do realise that making a false report to Victoria Police is a crime? Good afternoon. Yeah, so are you also aware that making a false report to Victoria Police is a crime? Would you like to comment? Is that an admission of guilt?